Hey, welcome here, video service information. Looking at this 2013 Jeep Compass today. It's all-wheel drive system. Vehicle's got 120,000 miles on it. Customer's complaint was hearing a grinding noise when idling and driving goes away when you push the clutch in. Did confirm the grinding noise coming from internal of the transmission. If you watched until the end of the video, we had an additional drivetrain noise also confirmed from another area. With the transmission tore down, you can see the main shaft here, the wear on the shaft. Secondary shaft, there's also excessive wear. If you look at the races on the inside of the transmission too, we found excessive wear. Carrier bearings also had some scoring and some wear on them. Found a lot of metallic debris built up inside the transmission from all that wear. You can see the metal that we found. Also notice the output bearing cover, where the oil passage is. Notice that the cover's been off and resealed at one time, so maybe some of that silicone was blocking the oil passage, causing poor circulation in the transmission. You can see the metallic debris here in the transmission oil. Fluid is dark with metallic debris. Here's some more carrier bearing wear, and you can see more wear on the race surfaces. Notice an axle seal seeping from the transfer case, so we went to go ahead and check the fluid in the transfer case and found it to be low. And there's a lot of metallic debris in the transfer case, so that additional noise. Got an internal bearing failure of the transfer case also. We have always talked that people overlook surfaces on the transfer case. Once that fluid gets low in these transfer cases, it doesn't take much to get internal bearing failure. So I always recommend checking these levels and conditions of fluid in these. All that noise coming from the drivetrain was basically from two different locations. We got transmission, all the bearing wear, and a transfer case. With the extent of wear in the transmission, we're just going to go ahead and recommend a new 5-speed manual gearbox for this, and also a new transfer case. To watch more upcoming mechanical failures, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.